Hello everyone. Today we will present our project PPL and related implementation of teleproxy on Kubernetes. Project identity, project title, implementation teleproxy on Kubernetes. Second, project propers Anthony Haikal, project manager Nur Ardianto, client Anthony Haikal. The member is me, Hartanto Prasetyo, Muhammad Iqbal Sajidan, Muslano Manulang, and Ian Kerry Manurung. Project description. This is project description. This is my diagram project Kubernetes, teleproxy, Loki, and Grafana. Implements a security architect where teleproxy is installed and run natively on the VPS server operation system. Teleproxy acts as a primary gateway or a proxy first accepting and traffic from the internet.
Talk about project output. Stable Kubernetes-based infrastructure on Cube running on VPS server. With this cluster on Nginx web application has been deployed, serving as protected operational service. Core security functions are released through an implementation of teleproxy. This was successful, complied from source code, and run native directly on the VPS on operating system. In this architecture, teleproxy function as a web application firewall and reverse proxy at edge of the network, acting and forward that filter out internet traffic before forward secure requests to Nginx application with the Kubernetes cluster. And then we have project achievement. Today, the implementation of teleproxy on Kubernetes project has achieved 100% completion of all key objects. All planned software components have been successfully installed, configured, and integrated and verified for functionality.
Okay, for project achievement, this is Kubernetes cluster and web applications. A stable Kubernetes cluster has been successfully built using Minikube or MicroKey8s as the underlying foundation. Within this cluster, an NGINX web server application running as a container has been deployed. This application serves as the target service to be protected and monitored. And number 3 is teleproxy. After overcoming various compatibility challenges, teleproxy was successfully installed using a direct source compilation method on a separate VM or proxy server. Teleproxy is now fully functional as a web application firewall or WAF and reverse proxy, serving as a front-end security gateway that receives all internet traffic, filters it for threats, and forwards secure requests to the Kubernetes cluster. And number 4, this is stack monitoring metric or Prometheus. Prometheus was successfully installed as part of the observability add-on within Kubernetes. The system ultimately collects all performance metrics such as CPU usage, RAM usage, and status from all nodes and pods running within the cluster. And number 5, this is dashboard visualization or Grafana. Grafana has been successfully installed and configured as a monitoring command center. Grafana has successfully connected to critical data resource. Number 1, Prometheus for metrics data, and number 2, Loki for log data. This allows for centralized visualization of Kubernetes cluster performance, health, and security logs from teleproxies in a single interface.
Project implementation history or logbook. Yang pertama itu ada mention RPP, yang kedua install server, yang ketiga install Kubernetes, yang keempat install aplikasi pada server, lalu yang kelima install Nginx pada Kubernetes, lalu yang keenam install aplikasi pendukung teleproxy pada server, lalu yang ketujuh instalasi Grafana sebagai monitoring Kubernetes, lalu yang ke-8 finishing, dan yang ke-9 penyusunan laporan akhir VPN. Next. Sekarang in project completion. Now, number 1, time contraction due to member being busy working. Number 2, lack of server for installation process. Number 3, hardware resource limitation. Number 4, network and firewall configuration. Next. Division of work. Pertama, instalasi Kubernetes dan Loki, instalasi Ubuntu, monitoring kinerja tim, lalu Muhammad Iqbal Sajidan, instalasi dan konfigurasi Kubernetes yang berdasarkan default NG, lalu instalasi teleproxy dan aplikasi pendukung untuk meneruskan ke Grafana. Lalu saya sendiri bisa menonton instalasi dashboard Grafana dan mencari referensi, lalu yang paling dikirim Manurung menyusun laporan dan mencari referensi. All, thank you.